I hate my microwave! Oh, how am I gonna fix my stupid microwave? Ah! I want to kill my microwave! I'm never using a microwave again! Someone better fix my microwave!
Thank you for calling Walmart. Spend money, live worse. Get your crap and get out. How may I help you?
Yes. I need someone to fix my microwave before I kill them.
Hey, we don't talk like that. It's not nice.
I don't care! Holy crap!
Hey, we don't say crap. It's not very nice.
Just send someone to fix my microwave!
Hey, we don't yell. It's not very nice. And, okay, I'll get someone to fix your microwave.
You better! Goodbye!
Someone needs you to fix their microwave.
Oh, okay.
Oops, I forgot the rules. It's not nice to push someone.
Oh, gee. That was not very nice. This is my microwave. Oh, I can imagine a working microwave. I can't wait for it to be fixed.
Let's see if we could get this thing working. And then I would heat up all my food and... Hey, where did he go? Well, it looks like there's nothing wrong with this thing. It looks just fine. It works. It turns on. It does everything. Dude, why'd you walk away?
Hey! What are you doing to my TV?
I'm fixing it, like you told me to. Is there something wrong with that?
Yes, there is! I told you to fix my microwave, not my TV, noob!
Oh, okay. It just blew up on me. Then I was like,
What did you do to my microwave?
I broke it like you told me to. Is there something wrong with that?
Yes, I told you to fix it, not break it, noob!
Oh, oops. Sorry.